I didn't know you got a fishing net already.
Yes.
Okay, I will be right back.
While I get my own fishing net.
Okay. I'm bored. What's taking Jacob so long?
Come on, Eric. It's time to go fishing.
Okay, Jacob.
Well, here we are. So, when did you learn how to fish?
Well, my dad taught me to caught one.
Alright, Eric, let's start.
It looks like I caught one. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Well, guess it didn't work for both of us.
I guess we can try again.
Guess you're right.
Come on. I need a fish. Come on. Oh my. Yes. I caught a fish.
Finally, we caught the fish.
That's even better. Fireworks. About time on the 4th of July. Jacob?
I'm scared of fireworks.
Okay. Someone took a freaking dump on the toilet.